Hello, I'm back on part 2 on this. It's the Sansui AU-X111. We are taking it apart to look at the switches on here because they're all noisy, need cleaning. And we're just about, well I am, should say, just about to go in taking the nuts off. But I've just started taking this one off. Come to this one, it's missing, and the balance, it's missing, and the volume one's there. So somebody's been in this and been a bit naughty and not put them back. So there you go. Naughty people. Let's zoom it out a bit. You can see what I'm doing. That's better. So all I'm doing is just taking the nut off. I'm using like a point type pliers, long nose, just to gently grip it, take around. And there's one nut. Like me, I'm a nut as well. Right, next one is on the volume. Which is there. And obviously just grip and turn gently round. And that's the second one. Right, now we've got them out of the way. Just turn the buffer the other way around. And we've got to take off 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. More screws. This thing's covered in screws like everything else. 1, 2. Everybody learning. 3. Oh, that's a spinner. Okay, we'll come to that one. 3. Alright, put them in the boot. Now spinners, there's a little trick that I usually do. You get a little straight type screwdriver there, okay, and gently just put it underneath with a bit of pressure, and it should just out. Oh, it's tis tight and twisted down. So someone's been in this and put the wrong screw in maybe, or done something like that. And out she comes. Right. Now then. There's a clip, and a clip on the side, so push them ajar. Just get that little smaller screwdriver just take that size and just slowly place that side up. I hate these. And snap, snap, snap. Right. Turn it back over. And we should find. It's still stuck a bit. Need to turn it a bit more. It's a tight one, Jim. Let's pop that up there. A bit bigger than these bottom ones. That's better. That's getting freer. There's still a bit of tension on the top. I see. It's free at the top as well. There's one there. There's one just there. Just there, just there, and just here. Just gotta there we go, push them down. Like so. And it says, and a bloody clip in again. Yeah, fun is life, like a butterfly. Yeah. Got that one. It's tight on there, Jim. It's still not receding. I think I know why, because I think it's got double-sided tape on it. Because I can hear the tape when. So I think someone's tried to undo this without no success, because obviously the tape, and also it gives it away. Just here, I can zoom in. See that? That's the crap, dust. Oh, fun, fun, fun till your daddy takes you away. I'm still clipping somewhere. Ah, huh? There she goes. There she goes. Right, that's the front off. I told you. Bloody double-sided tape. I'll give that a bit of a clean. I'll keep that safe away from things. I don't want it to get scratched. Put it up there out of the way. Right. There the gunner's what on the top. There's a cagoo. Now we've still got the fun bit of getting this out. So see, right, there's one, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little clips, complete with cobwebs, of course. And what I've got to do then, is it? Yes. Is to push down, and see onto that side. Watching time, it's now been 10 minutes. Push down, push down. It's coming. She's coming. Release that side. Push down. Push down. Right, I didn't want to do this, but I've got to take the plate off the bottom. The reason being is I don't want too much pressure. Right, so I need just to switch that off, don't want that out of the way. More screws. So on the plate there's 3 on the bottom, and then there's 3 on the back. You've got 1, and there's phono plug socket, 1 with the speaker sockets are, and the third one is at the bottom of the transformer screws. And that just slides out, just like that, magic. So I don't want any more pressure on that. There seems to be a bit of pressure there somewhere. There she goes. Up she comes. Let's just see what's happening inside. There's no tension anywhere on the board. This cable, here, maybe you can see that. Yes, just here, this ribbon cable. There's tension on that. I'll try and pop it out. like so. Just take it away from the frame. Now that cable can come as well, away from it. That's better. Oh, no, she's coming now. That's better. This is on the bottom bit. How much crap is in there? Give a bit of, just a little bit of pressure there to come up. So it comes with plastic. I find that it's so in theory that should have come up. I wonder, what's that straining? No, there's no strain there. Right, I'll just try to get rid of that. I've got some cable ties. Just take the strain off. I didn't think it was that problem. There's something else that's legit. I don't think. There we go. There we go. Jim Bob. These little tabs are very tight, and I think it's never been undone since manufacture. So, I think the other person who tried to undo this, i.e. missing the nuts, thought sod it, because you can't get in it. Right, there's another. Another tie wrap just there, which I'll get rid of. It's all that better, nice and loose now. It's still on this. There we go. There we go. Right, let's get that out of the way. I'm not really interested in that. What we are interested in though is these switches here. Still a bit of dust flying around. We're going to resolve that problem in the next video, because time's just ticked away from looking. It's nearly 20 minutes. Right, so that's that broken down. Next part will be cleaning this area, getting all this crap out, and just trying to get these switches back together, working as normal, without any crackles, he says. Right, I shall catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.